Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 57 of the NEET PG important questions, and today we'll discuss the questions of the topic nerves of the abdomen. So first try to answer the questions by yourself first. Nervus furcalis is which nerve? It is the fourth lumbar nerve. Lumbosacral trunk is formed by which lumbar nerve? So it is formed by the fourth and the fifth lumbar nerve. In prefixed lumbar plexus, nervus furcalis is which nerve? It is the third lumbar nerve. In the postfixed lumbar plexus, nervus furcalis is which nerve? It is the fifth lumbar nerve. What is the root value of the iliohypogastric nerve? So it is the L1. What is the root value of the ilioinguinal nerve? So it is the L1. What is the root value of the genitofemoral nerve? So it is L1 and L2. What is the root value of the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve? So it is L2, L3. Umbilical area is supplied by which nerve? It is supplied by the T10 nerve. Iliohypogastric nerve emerges out from which muscle? So emerges out from the lateral border of the psoas major muscle. Iliohypogastric nerve pierces which muscle? So it pierces the transversus abdominis muscle. Iliohypogastric nerve runs between which muscle? So it runs between the transversus abdominis and the internal oblique muscle. Iliohypogastric nerve supplies what? So it supplies the transversus abdominis and the internal oblique muscle. Transversus abdominis muscle is pierced by which nerve? It is pierced by iliohypogastric nerve and the ilioinguinal nerve. Ilioinguinal nerve pierces which muscle? So it pierces the transversus abdominis and the internal oblique muscle. Ilioinguinal nerve supply which muscle? So it supplies the transversus abdominis and the internal oblique muscle. Genitofemoral nerve pierces which muscle? So it pierces psoas major muscle. Genitofemoral nerve is crossed by which structures? It is crossed by the ureter. Over here the genitofemoral nerve remains retroperitoneal. Genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve enters inguinal canal through deep inguinal ring. Genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve supplies which structures? So it supplies the cremaster muscle, skin of scrotum, skin of mons pubis and the labium majus or the labia majora. Femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve is present in which compartment of the femoral sheath? So it is present in the lateral compartment of the femoral sheath. What is the root value of the genitofemoral nerve? So it is L1, L2. What is the root value of the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve? So it is L2, L3. Which is the largest branch of the lumbar plexus? So it is the femoral nerve. In abdomen, femoral nerve supplies which muscle? So supplies the iliacus and the pectineus muscle. Femoral nerve is formed by which spinal segment? It is formed by the dorsal rami of the L2, L3, L4. Obturator nerve is formed by which spinal segment? So it is formed by the ventral rami of the L2, L3, L4. Accessory obturator nerve is formed by which spinal segment? So it is formed by the ventral rami of the L3, L4. Accessory obturator nerve supplies which structures? It supplies the pectineus muscle. Sympathetic trunks enter the abdomen by passing deep to which passing deep to the medial arcuate ligament of the diaphragm, the sympathetic trunk enters the abdomen. Sympathetic trunk passes deep to which artery? It passes deep to common iliac artery. Right sympathetic trunk lies where with respect to the inferior vena cava? So, the right sympathetic trunk lies posterior to the inferior vena cava. Left sympathetic trunk lies posterior to pancreas, fourth part of duodenum and the inferior mesenteric artery. Lumbar sympathetic chain presents how many lumbar ganglia? So, it presents 4 lumbar ganglia. Lumbar sympathetic chain may have up to how many lumbar ganglia? So, it may have up to 8 lumbar ganglia. Which is the largest lumbar ganglion? So, it is the second lumbar ganglion. Preganglionic fibers for the lower limbs are derived from which spinal segment? So, it is derived from the T10 to L2 spinal segment. Bilateral excision of lumbar part of sympathetic trunks may lead to loss of ejection. Lumbar sympathectomy is useful in vasospastic disorders of the lower limbs. Lumbar splanchnic nerves usually are how much in number? So, they are 4 in number. Celiac plexus is joined by which lumbar splanchnic nerve? First lumbar splanchnic nerve. Intermesenteric plexus is joined by which lumbar splanchnic nerve? So, it is joined by first and the second lumbar splanchnic nerves. Superior hypogastric plexus is joined by which lumbar splanchnic nerve? So, they are joined by the third and fourth lumbar splanchnic nerves. Solar plexus is another name of celiac plexus. Celiac plexus contains which ganglion? So, it contains pair of celiac ganglion, superior mesenteric ganglion and the auriculorenal ganglion. Right celiac ganglion is where with respect to the inferior vena cava? So, right celiac ganglion is posterior to the inferior vena cava. Left celiac ganglion is where with respect to the splenic artery? So, left celiac ganglion is posterior to the splenic artery. Greater splanchnic nerve have contribution from which spinal segment? From the T5 to T9 spinal segment. Lesser splanchnic nerve have contribution from which spinal segments? So, from the T10 and T11 spinal segment. Suprarenal plexus have contribution from which spinal segments? From the T8 to L1 spinal segment. So, today up till here, we will discuss about the further important notes and questions of the further important topic in our next video. Thank you so much.